Is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world, and boy does it add to the occasion. We have already started here.
Well, someone I'm really looking forward to seeing is one of a kind. It's Rashford! Crying for more. He really does look at it.
Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call fluke.
Goes for goal! And the ball's come out, he can pounce on. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback, and this is thoroughly merited. For me, now they can go on better, possibly.
And help's available out wide. Gerrard. Oh, Rebecca! Sure. And it's Lampard. Gerrard. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Has a pop! Ball's loose, and he's after it. Maradona has a pop! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Beckham. Gerrard. Has a hit!
Pass, just wonderful, loved it.
England take the lead. Well positioned to make that interception.
From what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial.
He's gone for it! Davis. Forward it goes. Gerrard, very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full-contact contest. He's left his man. Lampard shapes
Ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Look, it's a whole different ball game now, Peter, and it's a test of how they manage affairs from here.
Just needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Chilwell. Out towards the flank. He's gone for... now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. England grab a 3-goal lead. It's just too easy. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Alexander-Arnold. Well played, he saw that coming. Away from immediate danger. Rashford. Played back in. Beckham. He could be in. It's Rashford! What a hit. The save was firm.
England were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very threatening.
Davis. And it's Chilwell. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked to pieces. He needs special attention to stop him making a run.
And that has been cleared. Sancho made his mark on this game. Salah. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Davis. And here's Rashford. Mohamed Salah! So that's it. It is all over. England, comfortable winners. A virtuoso display, utterly Washington, then, Jim.